50 English Literature MCQs. Restoration Period. Question number 1. The Restoration period in English literature began in. Correct option is B. 1660. Question number 2. The Restoration marks the return of. Correct option is B. The monarchy under Charles II. Question number 3. Which genre became highly popular during the Restoration? Correct option is C. Comedy of manners. Question number 4. Who is considered the greatest Restoration dramatist? Correct option is A. John Dryden. Question number 5. John Dryden is often called. Correct option is B. The father of English criticism. Question number 6. Which work by Dryden is a mock heroic poem? Correct option is B. Mac Flickno. Question number 7. Absalom and Achitophel is a satire on. Correct option is B. The Popish plot and exclusion crisis. Question number 8. The comedy of manners typically satirized. Correct option is C. The manners of aristocratic society. Question number 9. Who wrote The Country Wife? Correct option is C. William Wycherley. Question number 10. The play Love for Love was written by. Correct option is A. William Congreve. Question number 11. The Way of the World is a restoration comedy by. Correct option is A. William Congreve. Question number 12. Who was the first professional woman playwright of the Restoration? Correct option is B. Aphra Behn. Question number 13. Aphra Behn's famous novel is. Correct option is B. Oronuko. Question number 14. The Restoration saw the reopening of. Correct option is B. Theatres. Question number 15. Which literary form declined during Restoration? Correct option is C. Epic poetry. Question number 16. The Restoration was influenced by which country's drama? Correct option is B. France. Question number 17. Heroic drama was championed by. Correct option is A. John Dryden. Question number 18. All for Love is a tragedy by. Correct option is B. John Dryden. Question number 19. The Restoration period is also called. Correct option is C. The Age of Dryden. Question number 20. Which Restoration play is considered a masterpiece of wit and dialogue? Correct option is B. The Way of the World. Question number 21. The Hind and the Panther is an allegory about. Correct option is B. Religious conflicts. Question number 22. The Royal Society of London was founded in. Correct option is B. 1660. Question number 23. Who was poet laureate after the Restoration? Correct option is B. John Dryden. Question number 24. Dryden lost his laureateship due to. Correct option is A. His Catholic faith. Question number 25. Thomas Shadwell succeeded Dryden as. Correct option is B. Poet laureate. Question number 26. She stoops to conquer belongs to. Correct option is B. Augustan age. Question number 27. Restoration comedy often focused on. Correct option is B. Aristocratic intrigues. Question number 28. Who wrote the Relapse? Correct option is A. John Vanbrugh. Question number 29. Don Sebastian was written by. Correct option is A. John Dryden. Question number 30. The rule by Aphra Behn deals with. Correct option is B. Cavaliers in Exile. Question number 31. Who was satirized as MacPlickno? Correct option is B. Tom Shadwell. Question number 32. The Restoration period is characterized by. Correct option is B. Scientific rationalism and wit. Question number 33. Annus Mirabilis by Dryden commemorates. Correct option is A. The Plague and Fire of London. Question number 34. Which playwright is associated with polished restoration comedy? Correct option is A. William Congreve. Question number 35. Who is often considered the founder of the English critical tradition? Correct option is B. John Dryden. Question number 36. Restoration prose fiction began with. Correct option is B. Oronuko. Question number 37. The Plain Dealer was written by. Correct option is B. William Wycherley. Question number 38. Who wrote Marriage à la Mode? Correct option is B. John Dryden. Question number 39. Restoration comedy is also known as. Correct option is B. Comedy of manners. Question number 40. Who was the first official poet laureate of England? Correct option is A. John Dryden. Question number 41. Restoration writers often mocked. Correct option is A. Puritans. Question number 42. George Etherege is famous for. Correct option is B. Court comedies. Question number 43. The Man of Mood is by. Correct option is B. George Etherege. Question number 44. Restoration literature is generally marked by. Correct option is B. Wit, satire, and realism. Question number 45. Which restoration tragedy is by Thomas Otway? Correct option is A. Venus Preserved. Question number 46. Restoration literature is closely linked with. Correct option is A. The Enlightenment. Question number 47. Dryden's essay of dramatic poesy is a landmark in. Correct option is A. Literary criticism. Question number 48. Who replaced Puritan austerity with literary wit and worldly themes? Correct option is A. Restoration writers. Question number 49. The Restoration period ended roughly around. Correct option is B. 1700. Question number 50. The hallmark of Restoration drama is. Correct option is B. Wit, satire, and sexual frankness.